Close your eyes, completely relax your body. Completely close your eyes. Legs apart, दोनों पैर को थोड़ा सा फैलाएंगे. हैंड्स अपार्ट, दोनों हाथ शरीर से थोड़ा सा अलग. पाम फेसिंग द रूफ, दोनों हाथ की हथेली ऊपर की ओर. हिल्स फेसिंग ईच अदर, दोनों एड़ी एक दूसरे के साइड में हो. Completely relax your body, toe to from head, head to from toe. Observe your breathing process. While inhale, feel the cool air entering your body. While exhale, feel the warm air throughout from the nostril. श्वास लेते समय अपने शरीर में ऑक्सीजन भरेंगे और श्वास छोड़ते समय कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड बाहर करेंगे. फील द कामनेस ऑफ योर सराउंडिंग, एटमॉस्फेयर अराउंड यू. अपने आसपास के वातावरण को कंप्लीटली शांत महसूस करेंगे. अपने श्वास की गतिविधियों के ऊपर ध्यान देंगे. नॉर्मल एंड नेचुरल प्रोसेसिंग होना चाहिए. नाउ शिफ्ट योर अवेयरनेस टो, अपने ध्यान को पैर की उंगलियों के ऊपर केंद्रित करेंगे. एंड रिलैक्स योर टो. शिफ्ट योर अवेयरनेस ऑन योर सोल एंड रिलैक्स योर सोल. शिफ्ट योर अवेयरनेस ankle joint, cuff muscles, and relax your ankle joint and cuff muscles. Slowly pull up your kneecap, release and relax. अपने पैर के घुटने की को थोड़ा सा खींचेंगे और धीरे से फिर उसको रिलैक्स करेंगे. Relax your thigh muscles, lower thighs, side of your thighs and upper thighs. Squeeze your buttock muscles and relax your buttock muscles. Relax your completely hip joint. Relax your pelvic region. Completely relax toe to from hip joint, lower part of your body. Now chant Akara for the lower part. Inhale deeply. Make a sound loudly, थोड़ा आवाज़ निकालेंगे मुंह से. Inhale deeply. Third round, inhale deeply. Feel the beautiful vibration in lower part of your body. Now shift your awareness, middle part of your body, hip joint to shoulder joint. Inhale, bulging up your abdomen like a balloon. Exhale, sinking down, completely empty abdomen. Relax your abdomen. Relax your chest gaze. Relax your shoulder joint. Now shift your awareness on your back region. Relax your upper back, shoulder blade, middle back and lower back muscles. Relax your right side and left side. Now shift your awareness on your palms. Move your palms. थोड़ा सा पैर के उंगली, हाथ की उंगलियों को थोड़ा सा मोमेंट देंगे and relax your palms. Relax your wrist joint, forearms, elbow joint, upper arms, bicep and tricep. Completely relax middle part of your body. For the middle parts, chant Ukara 3 rounds loudly all together. Inhale deeply. Second round, inhale deeply. Last round, inhale deeply. Feel the beautiful vibration, feel the beautiful resonance in middle part of your body. Completely relax middle part, hip joint to shoulder joint. Now shift your awareness, upper part of your body, shoulder joint to head, crown of your head. Relax your throat, relax your neck, side of your neck, back of your neck, completely relax. Move your head right and left, थोड़ा सा सर को दाहिने और बाएं मूव करेंगे and relax. Relax your chin, relax your teeth, relax your tongue, relax your face, right side of your face, left side of your face. Relax your ear, right ear, left ear. Relax your eyes, eyebrow, forehead, crown muscles and back of your head. Completely relax upper part of your body. Further upper part, chant Makara loudly. Inhale deeply. Mouth should be closed. Second round, inhale deeply. Last round, inhale deeply. Feel the beautiful resonance in upper part of your body, head region. Completely relax your head region. Feel the beautiful vibration. Now once again shift your awareness, toe to from head, head to from toe. Now chant A U Makara single breath. Inhale deeply. Second round, inhale deeply. Last round, A O Makara. Slowly feel the beautiful vibration in your whole body, toe to from head, head to from toe. Completely relax your body and mind. Feel the beautiful energy in your whole body. Feel the beautiful changes in your whole body. Completely relax and relax. Be positive. I am healthy. I am happy. And slowly both legs together. दोनों पैर को एक साथ मिलाएंगे. Both hands side of our body. दोनों हाथ अपने शरीर के बगल में करेंगे. Slowly raise your left hand above the head. Keep on the ground. Slowly turn your body left side. Feel the relaxation completely left side. Feel the energy. Bend your right leg and slowly right palm front of your chest keep on the ground and And take both hands support, come to sitting position, don't disturb your eyes should be closed. अपनी आंखें बंद ही रखेंगे. Sit any comfortable position, Sukhasana, Vajrasana, Padmasana, any comfortable position. Keep your spine straight, neck should be straight. Relax your brain system. Relax your whole body. Adopt Namaskar Mudra, both palm front of your chest. Closing prayer after me, repeat. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah. Sarve shantu niramayah. सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्. All together. Slowly both hands back. Hold your right wrist with left palm. Make your fist right palm. Inhale. Open your chest, head up. Exhale, bend forward. Completely surrender to Mother Earth. Now slowly inhale. Head up and release your palms. Rub your palm each other. Give the nice massage on your face muscles. And slowly palm touch your whole body. Head, neck, chest, back, thighs, calf muscles, ankle joint completely. And slowly look at your palms for a few blinks. Open your eyes. Thank you. Thanks for your cooperation.
3, 4.